already. This is Lexus 2010. Alright, so this was brought in by a customer, and he wants me to replace the right there alternator. Alright, so before we do that, I want to verify and check the see if there's the alternator problem on this vehicle. Already, so the battery located here, so we can check it over here with our multimeter. Okay, we're gonna start the engine and check for see if it's charging the battery. Alright, so the battery's dead. We're gonna have to jump start this car. Alright, we're gonna jump start this car. Get the cable right there, the jumper cable right there. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna start the engine. Alright, so we're gonna check for voltage. Alright, from the alternator, see if it's charging. Okay. It's got a 13.9, so meaning it is charging, but I know it's not 14, but it's charging. Right there. $13.9, that's close to 14. Well, it's 13.9 charging. Let's turn the light on. It's 13.8. All right, we're gonna check the battery, with this battery tester right here. Okay. All right. Battery test. You turn the We have to turn the headlights on for 10 seconds. Alright, turn the headlights off. Cold cranking amps is 700. So we're gonna change this to 700 and enter. Testing, testing. I don't know if you can see that. But according to this tester, that we have to replace the battery. The battery is 22% healthy. Okay. All right. So this is an easy fix. So I called the customer, and he's picking this one up and getting a new battery. Okay. Bye. Alrighty, so we're gonna pull the battery out from this one, and then we'll have the customer pick it up. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.